Hey, what's up, guys? So, on this episode, I know some of you actually asked me to start talking, so I have a microphone plugged into my helmet. Uh, yeah, I'll just give it a shot. I'm not really a talkative guy, except for the things I'm interested in, like motorcycles, cars, and technology, things like that. I will just blabber a lot, but otherwise, I don't. You guys will see. Like, I have nothing really to talk. Okay, so I'll just explain how I actually record my sound here. So I usually wear this on my hips, uh, but I'm actually carrying a backpack right now. So it's not really. I tested it. It doesn't really help me to capture the sound. So for that reason, I'm actually placing this under the seat here. Okay, and it is facing to. So yeah, quite a bit to learn in that, like the gain settings, limiter, low cut, a lot of things. It's really not that interesting if you're not into content creation. But yeah, if anybody's interested, I'm more than happy to just talk more about the setup, including the camera setup and everything. Okay, so let me know in the comment below. Okay, so I'm actually kind of a little bit hungry, so I'm gonna head to Tim Hortons, the famous, world famous coffee shop. So there is one nearby. It's a Canada Day. I hope it's open, and along the way I'll try to talk as much as I can, and see how everything goes. Let's go. It's like every time I get on this bike, you know, I'll say, okay, I'll just go slower. I'll just ride decent. But I don't know, something about this bike, man. Maybe it's that four-cylinder. So addictive. Like when you rev it, like, slowly, and when it starts climbing, and once it crosses around like 6,000, 8,000 RPM, you just want more. Like, you know that there is something more out there, so you just keep going for that. So that's the only thing with this bike. I can't help myself. Yeah, so let me just talk a little bit about this bike. So this is a 2021 CB650R. I got it in 2022. COVID really, I used to ride like a long time ago. Then I didn't really get a bike or anything for almost about 10 to 15 years. And then COVID happened. So when COVID happened, I was mostly working from home, so I don't really go back and forth to office or anything. So I got plenty of time. So maybe that break really made me think about, hey, what are you doing? you know? So I started thinking about, hey, this is the time I need to go get a toy. So that's when I got my bike. I got it brand new from Honda dealership. And since then, yes, I made a couple of modifications. As you guys see, my shorts and Instagram and everything. So the first thing I did was first year, like 2022, I think. Yeah, what I did was got rid of the stock mirrors. I put the shorty levers because the stock one is too long. It's too hard to reach. Yeah, and then the bar and mirrors. What else? And the tail tidy. Yeah, that's all I got first. And the next year, 2023, I really did not do any modification because I'm in Canada, so I only get to ride like what 3 to 4 months. Yeah, that sucks big time, and that's the only thing, man. Yeah, so 2023 I didn't really do much modifications, and this year I planned it to get it the Akrapovic exhaust. So that's the first thing I got it, and very recently, like yesterday, is what I just took out the DB killer. So it's completely prepped to my interest at this point. So where am I? Yeah, so right now, yeah, that's all I got. Then I got this cord lock. That's all I got so far for the bike. And I'm not planning to flash the ECUs and those crazy stuff because I'm not planning to take this on a track or something. I would probably get like a sports bike if I'm planning to go on a track. And I think I do need to get some training if I'm going on track. Definitely not this year because I'm in Canada. Yeah, probably I'll plan for next year, and I have my eyes on the CB650R SP, the Fireblade. I don't know when I'll be able to afford that. That's one thing. But at the same time, I'm also interested in the Ninja ZX10R, which is like a bit more affordable leader bike, I think. And it comes with a lot of goodies, like even the cruise control. Nice Jeep. It's a Rubicon hybrid, I think. I see the blue color. Nice wheels. I probably need to get a Jeep if I want to carry my bike to to go some places and ride it there. Yeah, so sorry, can't help myself. Interestingly, like I think I saw on YouTube, when I turn on the traction, it pops and it performs a bit more aggressively. Obviously, like the electronic doesn't control the wheel spinning and all that, but yeah, the engine and the exhaust feel a bit more aggressive. Definitely not safe though, but yes, anything for more power. It's not like I don't have enough on this. Yeah, so those are the two bikes I am really looking forward to owning at some point. What is that? Yeah. Yeah, so other than the motorcycle, another thing I'm interested in is the whole process right now about this content creation. For me, I enjoy the learning process. Like, one thing about this content creation itself is, I think there are contents about everything. Like, if you go to YouTube and just search what do you want to learn, basically it's like a giant knowledge base, I think, more than content itself. I learned everything basically My goal is to basically capture the pure engine sound and also a cinematic looking video, right? Yeah, so I'm just chasing that. That's what I'm more than the vlogger kind of content. I'm really focused on capturing that experience. Like, audio itself is like a big deal because once I got in, that's when I realized it's not like a cakewalk. Quite a bit of things to learn. I experimented with an external mic, built-in mic first, and then I realized that is no way going to help me. So I started playing around with an external mic. Again, a lot of things are available freely on YouTube itself, so that helped me heavily. And also about like the videos, I only know what I need, but how was always filled by another content creators like yourself or anybody on the YouTube. So it's a pretty interesting time we're living in. If you guys want to know anything like my setup or how I actually record and edit my videos and things like that, just let me know in the comment below. I just don't want to create any content if none of you are interested. Pops. My coffee shop is right here. Looks like it is open. All right, so there goes my first vlog. You know how bad it is, right? So I suck at talking. So please forgive me for this.